Hi there, it's David Chinelli.
And Ariana Kermit.
We're realtors with Royal LePage Signature, and today we're in Maple.
I love this area. I actually used to play soccer just around the corner.
Yeah, so just to give you a little bit of reference, we're at the Kiel and Major Mac area, which is pretty close to Vaughan Mills.
Yeah, Wonderland.
Yeah, got the GO train, which is only steps away, and a lot of people love that about the area. And you got that brand new hospital really close by. And I guess if you have kids, it's good for that. School district is great here too. But why are we here?
We're here to show you an amazing townhouse, 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, fully updated from top to bottom. Welcome to 16 Stonebriar Drive. Let's go check it out. You gotta absolutely love this house. This home is turnkey. The current owners, they renovated from everything from top to bottom. So the new buyers are gonna benefit from that. We're talking everything. They insulated the walls, insulated the attic, brand new electrical, brand new plumbing. They literally did everything. Look, open concept. Absolutely unbelievable stuff they did.
And look at the stuff that we can see. So not just inside the walls or under the floors, you've got this gorgeous kitchen, Caesar stone, updated Bosch appliances, custom cabinets.
Yeah, well, I absolutely love that they have hardwood floors throughout, and it's real hardwood, 3/4 inch thick. So in a couple of years, if you want to, maybe change the color, you can always sand it down and make it your own.
This place is just so cozy. You could be cooking in the kitchen while you're looking at the fireplace, have guests over and entertain.
Parties, yeah. Could you imagine the cool parties you can have over here? And it leads right to the outside as well. So, party can be inside, a little bit outside. Yeah, I absolutely love this place. All right, check out the main floor. We'll meet you upstairs.
This gorgeous home has 3 great sized bedrooms upstairs. The hardwood floors carry throughout. The windows are brand new, so there's tons of natural lighting, and there are 2 washrooms up here as well.
Check out this primary bedroom. I absolutely love the chandelier with matching sconces. And again, I know we keep talking about this hardwood, but look how gorgeous this hardwood is. This primary bedroom has its own walk-in closet with a shoe rack, and it also has a 3-piece ensuite. The 3-piece ensuite even has its own washer and dryer, which are maintenance free. I can tell you a little bit about that offline. You really have to check out this ensuite because it has custom tile, and check out the skylight. Go for it. Okay, so we've been checking out the rest of the home, which is really cool. What do you think about this basement?
I love this basement.
I knew you'd love this basement. What do you love so much about this basement?
My favorite is definitely the vinyl floor. I love bright colored floors. It just makes the area look so much brighter, so much bigger.
I also love that the floors are functional. What I mean by that is so vinyl floors are great for basements in case there is any moisture, but it also has a great subfloor. This subfloor allows the floor to never really feel cold. When you're in a basement, you always worry about cold floors. Yeah. So yeah, it's not what you want. You don't have to worry about that here. What I also love is look at the ceiling height. I got a ton of ceiling. It doesn't make you feel all dark and cramped. Plus, you have great pop lights throughout, so which also I absolutely love in a basement. And what about right behind me?
There's a kitchen, so if you have any in-laws, a nanny, or one of your kids wants to spend more time down here, it's great for that.
Oh, entertaining too. You don't have to go up and downstairs. Say you're watching the game right here. You know, if you're a hockey player or a hockey fan or a football fan, maybe watching the Super Bowl, you don't have to run upstairs and downstairs. You can cook your meal right here. You don't have to worry about it. But I also love the functionality of the space. Like there's a lot of storage, but you can also use it for other things.
Yeah, you can make a little gym down here, a little office space. You have your own washroom.
Yeah, so you work out, don't have to walk through the rest of the house all sweaty like I get. You can just shower right here. All right, check out the rest of this basement. And then you also want to check out the updated garage and then meet us outside. We hope you enjoyed the tour of inside of the home. Now, my favorite spot?
The backyard, as always.
As always, I love a fenced-in yard. Yeah, I can imagine having crazy parties here.
If you have any pets, a dog, they can be outside.
I guess if you have kids too, you can throw them back here too, not worry about them. Anyway, if you want your own private tour or you want some details on the property, you can always call or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me at dchinelli@royallepage.ca.